Oh, hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I've done with my 2004. I installed this fascia kit and the new head unit. I installed some charging points there, the USB, the normal cigarette lighter, and then there's a voltmeter. In all my cars I like to have a voltmeter. I just like to be able to see what's going on with the voltage of the car. But then the interesting thing is up here, when I bought the car, there was one of those fascias up the top for the single din stereo, but it was all melted and it was terrible, so I removed it. And then I just got really used to putting my phone here. So I made this little area just with some cardboard and some soft padding, and then I just plug my phone in there and it pairs up with the head unit, and the soft padding just holds it there nicely. It's just really handy. So if you're thinking about what to do with that space up there, that's a pretty good option. Yeah, so I just thought you guys might be interested to see that.